Hello, 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 and welcome to the replay. Today, we're going to do a really sweet Oh My Gourd project. You're going to love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I will tell you that we are not having a bundle box today because I am traveling home from Disney. And so just so you know, it won't be today. There is a chance that tomorrow I will have one together for you and we'll be able to do that. So tune in Tuesday at 8 p.m. But today we're not having a box. This is just a fun live. Okay. Fake live because oh, sweet baby, you're okay. I may have a squeaky dog. Let's do this fast. Okay. So like I said, we're using Oh My Gourd and our awesome squash. So, the first thing I want to do is actually sand this down. Cords, got too many. Again. All right, plug your ears. Good to go. All right. I was kind of like talking soft because the sweet little puppy today, which this is Tuesday, he had a vaccine, and it was a shot, and so the poor little guy is sore and probably sad. But he's napping, but he's definitely sore. So he's on his little bed inside my playpen over there. So I can keep an eye on him because my husband had to run to the store because I forgot to get ponchos. Okay, so, Oh My Gourd, Oh My Gourd, okay. Oh My Gourd is right here. Now, we are going to do a little waxing on here. Oh, that color turned out so nice. Nice. Awesome. Now, I am going to write, if I don't drop my pen, I'm going to write back on here. And we're gonna fuzz this good old transfer here. This Oh My Gourd transfer is an A-size transfer, super inexpensive, $9.99. It's reusable. You can use it many, many times. And that means you can make something for yourself and for some friends. You can make some cutie things and sell them, or give them as gifts. One of my favorite things to do. And I am going to squeeze this on here as best I can. Make sure that everything fits. Oh my gourd. All right, so we've got a little camel. We've got some bark. Looks like chocolate pudding. And we have a little papaya. It's my orange of choice, by the way. If you are not a fan of the color orange, papaya may be good for you. Sneezing, hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh, good gravy. All right, so I've got my 3 mini squeegees over here. So I'm going to make my gourd orange, but I'm going to use my multi-tool. And actually, I'm going to make a multicolored gourd. I guess I can just wipe this off. Hold on. Apparently I only have one multi-tool here, and usually I've got a whole bunch, but they're over there on my drying rack. We're going to do multicolored because I can. I think it'll give it a lot of fun. There we go. All right. It's like just a mini squeegee, basically. And then I'm going to do, I keep wanting to call it caramel. It's called camel, this color. Oh my. Okay. Gourd. Oh my gourd. So we're going to use our bark now. It's a little bit darker, more of a chocolatey brown. Beautiful creamy dreamy chalk paste that we are using today. And then down here, I love fall. So it's, oh my gourd, I love fall. A lot of people love fall. It is definitely a beautiful season. I do love it. Flannels and football. I love all the things. That's not my favorite. If you followed me enough, you know my favorite is summer. Give me the sunshine. You guys, look how good it looks. I never get tired of that peel and reveal ever, as long as I shall live. Oh, you guys, it's so adorable. Okay, let me wash my transfer real quick. Real quick. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to embellish this one. Looks so good. We need to basically put these away, dry it, and then I will embellish. So, hey, if you are new, go ahead and type add me in the comments for me. That way you will get an invite into my free group. You'll find more ideas, inspiration, and insider information by typing add me. Okay. And if you haven't heard the word, our club is where it's at. You need to join Chalk Club. It's super fun. Just to find out all the details, you can type club in the comments and I'll send you a link that you can check it out. Watch a little video here or there, and oh, I can turn that off. And decide for yourself if you'd like to join. But you get exclusive project kits every month that you cannot buy. You can only get them when you're a member. And we are dry. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so cute. Okay, now I'm gonna, oh, this is a good one. I need my scissors. I'm gonna fray this. So we've got some fun cord here. And I'm just gonna grab a bunch of different ribbons. Trim, actually, it's trims. It's fun stuff. Let's throw in a little orangish. Oh, I got low power on my, let's see, on my brace, my watch. Get a little of that going on. And we'll throw some of that in there. Okay. And I always fray the edges of things. So I'm just going to kind of line this up. As best I can. Oh. Shoot. Here we go. Just kind of pull it how you want with all the little options of colors and fraying. I suppose a cute little dangle would have been nice, but we're not going there today. A little dangle of beads is always good. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, this has turned out so cute and it's so easy. If you would like the shopping list for this project, all you have to do is look in the comments. You're going to see the autumn cutouts. You're going to see the Oh My Gourd and the colors that we used. We've got our bark, our camel, and our papaya. So I will be back tomorrow. Everybody have a super fabulous day, rest of your day. And don't forget to tune in 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.